I want to show y'all how I ended up getting 10 items for $21.74. I have the 2 Scott tissue, the 1 Game pod, the Tide liquid detergent, the 2 Ivory soaps, the Purex liquid detergent. I have the 6 large paper towel and the 2 Dial hand soap. Here's the receipt of everything that I purchased. You see, it was $29.17. I used $5 in Walgreens cash. I ended up getting $7.43 back. Here's all the stuff that I did get. On the receipt, it never put the amount of Walgreens cash that you end up getting on the receipt. I don't know why. But as you can see, that other $7.43. And that was $42.21 worth of merchandise. And I used the code WAG10 to save an extra 10% off. There go the coupons I had for the paper towels, the Tide, the Game Fling, the Purex, and the Dial. So, $21.74 for everything.